Hi guys, today we are going to check who blocked us in WhatsApp. First, let's open our WhatsApp application. If we are not being blocked, we can send and receive messages. Two check marks is also an indicator that our messages was sent. But if we are being blocked, things will be different. Here, Jane will block Abigail. Then Abigail will try to send messages to Jane, but no messages received by Jane. We can also see only one check mark beside the message. If we will try to add Jane in a group as well, we will receive an error that this person can't be added to the group. That's it. That's how we know if we are being blocked by someone in WhatsApp.